Imagine a material so adaptable it's reshaping the future of multiple industries. Welcome to the field of cerium alloys. These outstanding materials blend cerium, a rare earth element, with metals like magnesium, aluminum, and iron to create alloys with exceptional properties. Let's examine what makes cerium alloys stand out. First up, high ductility. This means cerium alloys can be easily shaped without breaking, perfect for creating complex components. But that's just the beginning. These alloys boast robust mechanical strength, both at room temperature and even when things heat up. Whether it's the intense heat of aerospace engines or the demanding conditions in industrial machinery, cerium alloys hold their ground. Corrosion resistance is another superstar feature. Cerium enhances the alloy's ability to withstand harsh environments, ensuring longevity and reliability. And when it comes to manufacturing, cerium alloys shine with improved castability, allowing for intricate designs with fewer defects. This makes them a favorite in sectors where precision and quality are paramount. Speaking of sectors, let's discuss where cerium alloys are making waves. In aerospace, lightweight yet strong alloys are crucial for fuel efficiency and performance. Magnesium cerium master alloys are perfect for crafting components that need to be both light and durable. Similarly, the automotive industry thrives on these alloys to build engine parts that can endure high temperatures and stress, boosting overall vehicle performance and sustainability. Consumer electronics also benefit from aluminum cerium master alloys, where lightweight and strength play a key role in designing sleek, durable devices. And don't forget the industrial sector. Cerium iron master alloys enhance machinery and equipment, ensuring they can handle tough jobs without faltering. But why choose these cerium alloys? It's all about performance, quality, and innovation. These alloys deliver superior mechanical properties, backed by rigorous quality control to ensure you get the best. Plus, with expert support from metallurgy and material science professionals, you're never alone in selecting and applying the right alloy for your needs. Cerium alloys aren't just materials, they're catalysts for innovation, driving advancements that lead to more sustainable and efficient solutions across the globe. Hit that subscribe button and stay ahead with the latest in material science and industry innovations.